Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about Ccleaner. It's a pretty good program here. It cleans out all your history and everything on your computer, from web surfing to applications that you used recently to anything that you click on the start run, and you can check and uncheck the boxes from what you want to have it remove and not remove. The things that are checked will be removed. So now here I got my selection of choice that I decided that I wanted to clear out. So once you make that choice in this option here, there's also another tab here under options or applications here. You can check and uncheck these as well. A couple other applications are in here, and they're pretty much all set. So I'm going to go here, and then once you're ready, you just click run cleaner, and it'll go through here and run your system clean, and it should be pretty fast. If this is the first time you're using it, it will take a little bit longer, but once you've done it once, it'll speed up. And then there's a great program on here, or a great app also included, called Registry. If you go to the registry here on the left, make sure all these are checked, and then it's going to scan for issues. Click scan for issues, it'll find all the problems in your registry, and it will clean them up and remove any problems or unused files. So let this run through and it'll find all sorts of stuff. First time used, it will take a little bit longer to go through, but after that it'll be fine. Be a lot shorter or quicker. I recommend running both of those, the cleaner and the registry, at least once a week, and then once it's completed, check the box next to all of them, which by default it should check them all, and then click on fix selected issues, located right here, and then it's going to ask you if you would like to back up the registry file, and you're going to want to hit yes. And then once there's a window that's going to pop up asking where to save it, I recommend saving it under my documents and then creating a folder called like registry backup or so, and then go ahead and then place it into there, and the default name is just fine, and click save, and then it'll pop up and tell you some details about the files in the registry that need to be corrected, and by default it will let you do fix issue or say fix all, and you click the fix all, but since I only have one, it just says fix issue, so click that. It'll go through them all and it'll tell you issues are fixed, and then go ahead and hit close. And then another great thing in this program is if you go under tools, you can uninstall any programs on your computer, and it will clean out everything from the registry and anywhere else on the computer in the hidden files. Because by the default on Windows, when you uninstall either through the application itself or from control panel, it will leave files behind. So this is the best way to remove programs. It also shows your whole startup, everything that comes up every time your computer boots up. You can go through and decide which stuff you want it to boot and which stuff you don't want it to boot. So if you don't want it to boot, you can select it and hit disable. It's best to disable it than to delete it. If you delete it, you can't get it back. So select carefully, and the ones that you can disable would be like Real Player, Downloader, and Uploader, Recorder, PDF, Adobe PDF, Helper, that doesn't need to start, and anything that you do disable, it will start running when it's needed. So if you close something that you use but you don't use it right away when the computer boots, that's okay, because it will correct itself and it will start the app once it's needed. And then once you're done with that, you can do a system restore from here if you'd like, or a drive wiper, which is a new program. You can wipe your hard drive. It's pretty good. It clears out everything on the drive, and you can do a couple different options. You can have it do the free space or the entire drive, and put zeros and ones over every sector on the hard drive, making it very difficult to recover any data that was previously on these hard drives or disk drive. I do not recommend using it on a flash drive though, or any solid state devices. Then once you select your options, you can do a security as well. The recommended is 35 passes, then it's pretty much unrecoverable any data on that device, and then you check the box to the drive you want, to wipe, and then you click the white button. And this process will take a while, especially if you do the 35 process wipe, which is very complex overwrite. It'll take a very long time to do, but recommended. And you'd be crazy not to make this part of your Windows life. It's a great toolkit for your PC, clean you up. I recommend running it once a week, and it'll keep your computer up and running and smooth sailing for all you people out there. It speeds up your time to first startup. Computer will start up faster. Most scans complete in under 2 minutes, according to an article by William Van Winkle. It's a great uninstaller program. And this is only the beginning of the app, because this is the newest version. I just downloaded it. It was version 3.1600. I have the 64-bit for the operating system because I have more than 4 gigs of RAM. Alright, that's it for this video. Have a great day.